Hey guys, it's Isabel. So today I have my winter lookbook showing you 4 different styles that I love this winter, and I'm going to show you how to buy some of these pieces, so stay tuned if you'd like to see. For today's video, I partnered with Poshmark to show you guys how to buy some of the pieces I'm going to show you later on in the video. Now I love Poshmark because you can buy and sell clothing right from your fingertips, and this really handy Instagram-like feed and the search feature makes it really easy to find your favorite styles from your favorite brands for very low cost. So you can see you can sell very easily. I'm going to show you guys how I go into my camera roll and select the rose gold dress that you will see later in the video, and I'm just showing you guys how I do a listing. It's literally so easy. You just want to crop your photos and just choose the photos you want. I like to do back and front photos plus some detailed photos so you can really see the gorgeous rose gold sequin detail on this one. So you could also add filters, and then you go on and add a title. This one was actually a dress that I wore for New Year's one year, and I never wore it again, so I thought maybe somebody else would get more use out of it. That's the really cool thing about Poshmark, is that if you haven't worn a dress again, or you just wore it once and you don't feel like you're going to wear it again, you can just list it. And here I'm listing the sizing, the brand, which is LF, and the original cost and the price I'm selling it for. And right when you post it, it goes onto your feed and you can see what it will look like to those that you're selling it to. So this dress is for sale. Go check out the link below to get it yourself. So the first look I have for you today is a casual one, and I call it the Stargirl look. You'll see why in a second. It is just a simple black top turtleneck, super thin and comfy material with jeans and these knee-high gray boots. Now this is such an easy, cute, casual look, and this is like my uniform every day, and I love to pair it with this NASA beanie, and added touch, this gorgeous astronaut spacesuit inspired big jacket. And this jacket takes you from simple to Stargirl in just seconds. I call this next look leather and lace, but it's not really leather and lace, but you get the idea. It's basically all black everything with my favorite lace looking crochet black top, which is actually for sale on my shop, so the link is down below if you want to get it. I love to pair it with black jeans and this gorgeous faux leather sky blue jacket, and of course some gorgeous black boots that go right below the knee. I add some statement hoops, and this is a gorgeous look for going out. Not too warm, but it's really cute. Now here's my rose gold princess look featuring a dress that is in my closet. You can buy it right now. I love it because it's the perfect mix between sexy and gorgeous and classy, and pair it with your favorite long coat and your favorite cream heels like these that I'm absolutely obsessed with. You have a gorgeous classy look. Fourth and final style is my red Diva look. Now if you're a 70s kind of girl, this is perfect for you with the open back and the bell-bottom style. You can get this for yourself. It's on my Poshmark closet for sale. I paired it with these cranberry platform heels that are also for sale, which pair really well with the wide bell-bottom style. Now this is such an elegant and sexy look, and I love to pair it with a faux fur vest, which really puts the look together, warms you up, and also wearing a black jacket as a cape. It's not perfect for super cold weather, but it's okay. It works for me. I don't live in a super cold place. So that's it for today's lookbook, guys. Don't forget to head over to Poshmark. The link is down below. Download the app and you can shop these items that I have in my closet or check out other closets. This item already sold last night from my closets. I have some heels that I've never worn and other items. So if you guys want to see more fashion related videos, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.